Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify emulated. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify emulated, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this page you will enter to the window of Spotify. Then we click on for stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to storage on this app. After that we click clear cache, and when you'll find this window of clear data, don't click here because that can make errors or problems on your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.